Hello everybody. We're trying one of these early morning sessions. It's a little before 6 o'clock. It's one of my weird little Pitt County out there creek spots that I'm going to try to get into a few different areas today and hopefully not lose too many lures because it's kind of hard to cast and kind of hard to get around back here. But there are some cool fish in this area, so we're going to see what we can find back here. I will hopefully be showing you some fish very soon. Yeah, I'm really got a species in mind I'd like to get, and I've never gotten one. But to me, this creek just seems like it's going to be the spot where I find a redfin pickerel. I have caught chain pickerel here, and bass and red breasts. Oh, here's some. What did we get? I got crappie. Not a bad one either. Mr. C showed up. I've come out here looking for you, and when I have, I've never found you. And then when I don't expect you to be here, there you are. Man, you got that right in the bottom of the lip, dude. Hey, it's a good start. We'll take that little guy. Got another crappie? Yeah. A little smaller one this time, but nonetheless, got our second little pretty crappie. Quite a bit smaller this time though. Well, we got a beaver. Pretty big one right there actually too. Must have a little depth in there though. Fish. What do we got here? Yeah, got a little decent sized panfish. Yeah, pretty bluegill. Yeah, pretty colors on him. That's our third little fish, and we are getting close to out of time too. Alright, there's a better fish on my alarm too. As the alarm goes off, we get a bite. Ah, just another good paying fish. I shut that alarm off, and obviously it was time for work. But got picked up by a nice fish at the end. Pretty one. Hope I didn't get that out of his mouth because he really grabbed it. Pretty fish to end it on. Beautiful stripes, colors. Nice panfish. Well, we came out here to a cool spot. I was really hoping to get a redfin pickerel today, but we got 4 fish, a couple crappie and a couple of panfish. Please subscribe and like. I had a good time out here as always, but it's time for me to get to work, and I'll get back at fishing within the next couple of days. Take it easy.